Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video of Advisor RemUI, we saw that how this theme looks and what are some basic navigations in this theme. So today we will see how to create a course in this Advisor RemUI theme. So as you have noticed in earlier themes that to create a course you have to go to site administration and then go to courses and then say add a new course. So in this theme we'll see how RemUI is different from other themes and how it is easy to quickly create course in RemUI theme. So as an admin or as a course creator, if you land on this page on your website, what you will see, you will have options on the bottom left corner, user list, course archive page, create a new course, customizer, RemUI settings. So we have an option over here, create a new course. So you see how easy it is. You don't have to go to all different options inside administration and then create course. All you have to do is just log in and quickly select this option as create a new course. On selecting this option, you will see a very familiar screen where you have to create a course. So this is my instance, dummy instance, and let's say my course is communication skills. I'll give it a short name as communication skills. By default, my category is miscellaneous as I have not created any category. So it's taking default category as miscellaneous. If there are any categories, then we can select it. We'll see in upcoming videos that how to create categories as well. Then we have option of course visibility, whether you want to hide course or you want to show this course. Then we have something called course start date and then course end date. You can uh, change as per your requirement. If you want to suppose run this course for infinite, then just uncheck this box and this course is like on forever. And if you wish to put a end date, then you can put an end date as well. So I wish to put an end date to this course, suppose next month. So I'll say April. So my course will start from 30th March and it will end on 30th April. All right. So moving to next tab, that is the description. Suppose if you have a description regarding your course, so you can just say this is a course related to improving your communication skills and anyone is eligible to take this course. All right, so we have given a description over here. Then you have different options on how to display your description. Now suppose if I want to highlight this uh, two words, so what I'll say bold, make it bold. Okay, so now this course is related to improving your communication skills. So communication skills is our main keywords which we have highlighted. All right, then you can add image to your course. If you have any image, then you can add image also to your course. For now we'll just skip it. Then you have course format. What is your format to the course? There are different formats like single activity format, social format, topics format, weekly format. This we will see in upcoming videos how to use all these options. For now we will say topics format, in which we will have 4 sections. Then hidden sections, what you want to do, whether your hidden sections to be in the collapse form or hidden sections to be completely invisible. All right, next is your appearance option. What you want to do with your course, how it should be appear. So course language, Currently it is in English. So suppose if you want this course to be displayed in some other language, so uh, fourth language means the options this are currently displayed in English, but this can be displayed in other language as well. That we'll again see in uh, next videos. For now, we will only concentrate on creating course in Advisor RemUI. Then files and uploads. So currently the maximum upload size of the file permitted is 32 MB. What I'll do, I'll go and say uh, 32 MB only. All right, so 32 is max. But if I want to restrict it further, then I can restrict to lesser MB as well. Then there is something called completion tracking. By default, it's advised to keep it yes. Then we have groups. Now suppose if you want to create a group in your classroom, like suppose you have 20 students and then you have to create a group of 5 people each, so you will have 4 groups, so that you can, so creating group is again a separate configuration that we'll see again later. Role renaming. Role renaming is something like suppose a manager is called as a associate or anything, any name like supervisor. Suppose you call a manager as a supervisor in your institution or organization, so that you can put over here. So you can just say supervisor, so that whenever you will whenever a manager role is displayed, it will be displayed as supervisor. So for now we will not change anything. We'll simply keep it as it is. And then we have tags. uh, Tags, I'm sure you all must be aware of tags. If not, then we'll cover it in the next video. Then we have something called RemUI custom field. Now since we have uploaded this theme which is our RemUI, so we'll see what is this course duration in hours. Now suppose your course consists of particular hours, so you can say 10 hours. My course completion course duration hours is like 10 hours. Students are requested, or they should, maximum they should take 10 hours to complete this course. Then course intro video URL. Now suppose if you have a video which is related to your course, then you can put that URL over here. Then what is the skill level? So is it beginner, is it intermediate, or is it advanced? So for now we'll say beginner, as we have in description we have taken written like anyone can take this course, so let it be the beginner, let it be beginner only. All right, so next step is saving and display our course. So let's say save, and here is our course created. So we have created a container where we can put our activities. So we have created our course. All right, so we have few options over here, like whether we want to enroll users or we should proceed to course content. All right, so it is always advisable to first create course content and then enroll users, because if you enroll users earlier and if you don't have any content in your course, then user won't be able to see anything. So it's always better to create content and then enroll users. All right, we'll see this part later, like how to uh, create course content and how to enroll users. So for this video I will conclude my video here, and if you have any questions or any queries, you can definitely comment in the comment section. And I hope you like this video. If you want to buy this theme, then you can refer the link in the description. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to subscribe my channel, like videos, and share these videos with your friends. And if you have any queries and comment, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to answer them. Thank you. Take care.